Can you show Mommy your backpack? I like it.
Yay.
The Dora backpack? Yeah.
Come over here, show me, say, backpack. You ready for school? Yeah. Say, oh boy, you gotta be ready. Backpack. Daddy sings the Dora song like a dork. I like it. Where's your necklace? Can you show me your necklace? Yeah, there it is. Let's see. And what you got? Sunglasses and backpack. Yeah, and where's the necklace again? Show me the necklace. Oh, there it is. Yep, there it is. And who's on the necklace? Picture, right?
Who is that?
Dada.
Yeah. And who else?
Mama.
Yeah. And Ellie. That's you on there too. Right there.
Ma.
Yeah, that's you. Good job.
I like your backpack, sweetie. That's very clever.
Mm-hmm. It matches your shirt. Can you turn around and show us? Oh, I like it. There you go. It's got Dora on it too. Yay!
Excellent runway model.
Yes, up on the toes. Very good.